Hey, all right, so here's what we're gonna do. You've got three cameras that you can see. So there's me, hi, I'm down in the bottom left corner. And then you've got my panel that I'm gonna be painting on. And then you can see over here, this is my palette. And I'm gonna talk about that in a second. And then also you have the reference photo that's up on the display right now. That reference photo is also going to be available in the class as reference material, so you can download it and, draw it out. And I have a drawing sketch in there too if you just want to trace. I'm fine with tracing. It's another tool that's available to you. Yeah, it's up to you. Okay, so I'm gonna touch on my palette here real quick. So I have my paints laid out the same way every single time, and the reason is it's kind of like this is my piano. I know where my color notes are all times. The color palette that I have set up here is my standard palette, and this is the palette that I have always used even for landscapes because it's a very natural palette. All these colors make a very natural piece, not realistic piece. So what we have, I've got black, and you can pick Mars black, lamp black, ivory black, I don't care. Black's black. And I always add additional colors, which is going to be so handy when we come into the black of this painting, because it's not just going to be straight up black. It's going to be black with ultramarine blue and red and greens. It's going to be gorgeous. All right, so excited about that. All right, so we've got our black. We've got our ultramarine blue, cobalt blue, sap green, alizarin crimson, burnt umber, burnt sienna, cadmium orange medium, yellow ochre, and cadmium yellow medium. Then a pile all by itself over here, I've got my titanium white. You can ignore the other colors. I reserved this section of my palette for new colors that I want to introduce into the painting if I see it's needed. And then over here are colors that I've mixed before for other paintings that I just don't want to trash because they're still good. So ignore this, and you can ignore what's over here. All right.